This video will show you how to update Lenovo XClarity Integrator virtual appliance when it is already installed in an ESXi-based environment. Before proceeding, you must first install LXCI for VMware vCenter. For more instructions, refer to the link displayed on the screen. Log into the XClarity Integrator for vCenter Administrator web page. Click Version and Upgrade on the left navigation pane. The Update Management Server page is displayed. On the Update Management Server page, click Check for Updates to check new update packages applicable to the current LXCI server. Please note that if the LXCI instance is connected to the Internet, it will automatically check the updates and notify the user once a week. Select the required package from the list and click Download. Select the required package from the list and click Perform Update. Click OK on the next pop-up window. The update request has been sent to server successfully message will be displayed. Click OK. Go to the Appliance console via vSphere client to see the update status and if any errors. Log into the LXCI web page again. The LXCI version has been updated.